In the previous lesson, we reflected on the words Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, we continue with the next verse from Surah Al-Fatiha in the Qur'an. Let us look at the words carefully and understand what Allah is teaching us. Listen to the verse. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdu. This means all praise. Praise includes gratitude, appreciation, and recognition of goodness. Lillah. This means for Allah or belongs to Allah. So now we have Alhamdulillah. All praise belongs to Allah. Rabb. This word means Lord, the one who nurtures, sustains, and takes care of his creation. Allah is the one who provides, guides, and maintains everything. Al-Alameen. This refers to all the worlds. This includes humans, animals, the earth, the heavens, and everything that exists. Now, when we bring all verses together, we read Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all worlds. This verse teaches us that all praise truly belongs to Allah. He is the one who created us, sustains us, and takes care of all his creation. This is why the Quran begins by reminding us to praise Allah, the Lord of all worlds. In the next lesson, we will continue reflecting on the next verse of Surah Al-Fatiha from the Quran.